Kraken exchange to burn over 1 billion coins of Terra Classic. Kraken exchange to burn over 1 billion coins, and I believe, of course, they will be joining other top burner very soon. Binance, Lunatic, they will be joining Remitano, Kucoin, MEXC. We have a lot of Terra Classic top burners that have been burning a lot of Terra Classic coin, millions and billions of coins, and I believe Kraken can really, their support will go a long way to help Terra Classic to rise. I mean, if they start burning massively, we want to see them burning over 1 billion coins, and other exchange from Get.io, Crypto.com, Kucoin, if all of them burn over 1 billion coins, and that will really push the price of Terra Classic. And of course, the burn of LUNC might be hitting over 100 to 120 billion bonds. But I'm happy that most exchange right now are showing great support, great concern towards Terra Classic LUNC. Then I'm also happy for the fact that Kraken are really ready to give all their best, all their support for Terra Classic LUNC. So let's watch and see what will be going on. Let's watch and see how this will happen, because Kraken, for some time now, they have not really, there's no news. They have not been engaging in terms of helping Terra Classic. It's mostly coming from Kucoin, Crypto.com, Binance, and some Terra Classic community. These are the major people that have been supporting this coin in the past. And right now, if Kraken want to burn, and they are planning to burn a lot of Terra Classic coins, I know some of this will be coming from the tax burn, and then definitely I hope that this happens. I hope they burn what they promise. I hope they re-engage in the exercise of burning Luna, because we need all the exchange to engage. We need all the exchange to put that, to come together and start supporting Terra Classic, because this coin is not just for the coin to rise. We also want to see people recover from what happened as of last year. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.